Welcome to the EDC Assembly presentation. So firstly, take the power cable out of the container, then remove the top layer of foam. If you can then remove the dust probe and then the windshield and bird spikes, along with the main enclosure of the instrument. Please do not pick up the box by the two white adapters on the front. Firstly, unlock the main enclosure using a flathead screwdriver. Then you'll see inside the monitoring instrumentation itself, which includes the sound meter, gas and dust. The dust assembly fits in through the cable at the top of the assembly and then pokes through into the bottom. Screw the dust sampler into place on the top and then plug in the cable into the heated probe inlet at the top of the case as shown. Now close the front door, take the copper pipe that is for the sound part of the system, wire through the microphone cable assembly as shown, finger tightness, and then apply the microphone preamp and microphone to the top of the cable assembly. Screw into position and position on the top of the cut. Now place over the included sealant, which you can pass over the end, and using a heat gun can seal this as shown on a finely sealed instrument. Unscrew the microphone, being careful not to unscrew the diaphragm assembly, and apply the windshield and bird spikes to the top of the device. Reattach the microphone assembly to the top of the preamp and then tighten the windshield and bird spikes so it's held tight, reapplying the foam before putting out for deployment. Now you can apply the power cable to the side of the instrument, positioning it carefully, then screwing into position. Please confirm you have a nice new fresh filter and that you finally have assembled your microphone assembly array and tightened into position. Finally lock up the instrument and you're ready to go.